Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Litecoin from Bitrue to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your Litecoin securely and efficiently. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just switch exchanges, I'll walk you through it in simple terms. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Bitrue and Gemini set up and verified. This is crucial for smooth transactions and security in 2025's updated platforms. Start by logging into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section and find your Litecoin balance. Next, navigate to the Withdrawal option. Select Litecoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. Now, you'll need the Gemini wallet address. Log into your Gemini account, go to the Deposit section, and copy the Litecoin address. Double-check this address because one wrong character could send your coins into the void. Back on Bitrue, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, but remember to leave room for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication for added security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on the Litecoin network. While you wait, keep an eye on your Gemini account. Go back to Gemini, refresh your dashboard, and you should see the Litecoin deposit confirmed soon. A quick word of caution. Always use the correct network. Litecoin transactions typically use the Lieutenant Kernel network, so don't mix it up with other chains. Also, watch out for any minimum withdrawal amounts on Bitrue to avoid failed transfers. In 2025, exchanges like these have enhanced security, so enable 2FA if you haven't already. There you have it. That's how you transfer Litecoin from Bitrue to Gemini. It's a straightforward process, but staying vigilant is key in the crypto space. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.